Hello, welcome to STA 2023 Statistical Methods Real-Time Virtual, RTV. Thank you so much for taking this class. My name is Professor Al Grocha. I'll be your professor this semester, and I wanted to just say hello and welcome you to the class and also give you a little introduction about the course. This is a real-time virtual course, so we'll be meeting at our designated time by going to Zoom on the left toolbar here. If you go to Zoom, and all of our class meetings will be here. You simply click on join. I would, at least for the first day, come early to make sure everything works out well, and that's how you will enter the course, is through Zoom, through your Canvas course. I've also included the Zoom link in the welcome message, so you can check it out there. But I would say before class, take some time. Look around the course. Notice your course schedule is here. These are all buttons, your course schedule, the grading scale. You can start going through the start here, start checking out the chapters. I'll go everything on the first day of class, but I wanted to give you just a quick introduction today and say hello. So for example, if you go through the start here, when class starts on January 10, you will see the welcome, meet the instructor, syllabus, schedule, grading sheet, classroom policy, student support, technology requirements, optional videos, check all those out. And then your first 3 assessments is the get to know each other discussion, your syllabus quiz, and connecting to MyLab. Again, I'll go over them in class, but it's nice to get a head start and look at them. And the way the course will work is I will teach it, the material in course, in the class, and then you will go into Canvas, and in Canvas you have a ton of resources. So let's say we're in chapter 2. In addition to coming to class, I also provide to you the learning outcomes in chapter 2 under the Learn section, link to the ebook, blank notes here, and then you have lessons in addition to coming to class. So if you need to watch it again or want to get ahead of the game, then you can watch the Zoom lessons or maybe a quick overview or maybe sitting in a classroom video. 3 different ways to learn the material in addition to coming to class. And then you'll do your assessments by going to the chapter 2 assessments. Every chapter will have a homework, a quiz, and a creator problem. The homework and the quiz are in MyLab, and then the creator problem is in Canvas, but detailed instructions, again, I'll go over all this in class, but just to give you a head start. And you may want to read the syllabus before class. So check out the syllabus, check out my schedule, my engagement hours, and the Zoom links associated with them. There's a help document here. You can contact me through Canvas, Office, or you can text or phone my Google phone number. And then you can kind of look through and see when things are due and kind of look through the course. But again, just wanted to give you a quick little hello. If you have any questions or need anything at all, please don't hesitate. And I look forward to meeting you on the first class day. Thank you.